Say hola to the Pepino melon, also known as Pepino Dulce, which means sweet cucumber in Spanish. It is a small melon, but doesn't it look like an Easter egg with these purple stripes? And for a few months, you can find a purple pepino, which is long and skinny with dark purple skin. They are native to South America, but now they are grown year-round and in places like New Zealand. We call it a melon because it has the look of a melon, but it is actually in the nightshade family, like eggplants and tomatoes. The Pepino melon has a distinctive pear and vanilla aroma, but actually tastes like a mellow cucumber melon. The mellow flavor makes the pepino easy to pair with anything, both sweet and savory. Wrap them in prosciutto for a sophisticated appetizer, drizzle with honey and lime for a fruit salad, or add some chili powder and sea salt to spice it up. The beautiful skin of the Pepino melon makes it a perfect vessel for salad and ice cream. Ooh, pretty. Choose pepinos with a sweet aroma and no bruises. Ripen it at room temperature until the stripes are distinctive and the fruit is fragrant. To learn more about pepino melons and get recipes, visit us at fridas.com.